Today I will be giving a tutorial on Axiom Pro, in my opinion, the best trading bot from 2025. Like, everyone is using it, and I will also do some live trenching so you know what I look for. So yeah, let's get into it. Right here you have Discover. To be honest, it's good to see the trending coins, see what's currently trending, understand the meta, what is super important, because based on the meta you see a lot of kind of the same beta coins being launched, and if you're early on good beta coins, you can easily do a 3x, 5x and make you a lot of money. Basically for trading, the most thing I use is Pulse. Pulse is great. I check mostly new pairs right here and also the migrated ones. What does new pair mean? It basically means it's a pair that is just created. Like, this one is created 24 seconds ago. We can check it out because it seems to be getting some volume. And I check the volume, the holder count real quick. So we see a few bigger wallets in it. Still pumping hard. Let's invest a little bit. And see what it does. I'm in for 0.1 SOL. Right here you can see my position. You can see I bought 0.1. I didn't sell anything yet, and I'm in a 3% win right now, 20% win. So I will see all the live P&L right here basically. My strategy is always to sell at 2x basically. So right now it's 2x. I'm a little bit too late because it just migrated, but I will sell half. This way I'm always risk-free. So whatever happens next, it doesn't matter because my initial is already out. Let's see if I can get, yeah. So my initial, I sold half right here. I'm still holding half. So it doesn't really matter what happens with that other 0.1 SOL, right? Because it's not anymore like my money. I won't lose. That's the most important. So I will just click this away right now. This might cook up, this might doesn't. You see it right here, 83k market cap. It might dies and should have taken profits, or it might send and I still got a bag in. So that's a really good strategy, I believe. So why about bonking it? It did create volume, to be honest. That's one thing. Going down now. Most of the meme coins have like a lifespan of non-existent basically. So you will just take quick profits on it, because if you're not, someone else will, and you will lose money. Right now I was in with like a small amount, so I didn't really care what happened to that other 0.1. So I'll just let it in, I believe. Like, it's worth 0.03 right now. It's almost nothing, but it doesn't matter. Because at least I didn't lose money. What the fuck is this? So let's check holder count real quick for a few big wallets. But I'm just gonna buy a little bit. See what this is all about. Primer learning, standing as well. So this one is also migrated. You can see I'm up 68% right now. I can also share my P&L right here. So I made like, I can also do USD. I made like $30. Okay, this is going crazy. Selling half again. So at least I'm risk-free, and you see it's that. But I sold more than I bought, so it doesn't matter. I still made money on this coin, and that's super important. Because imagine if I didn't sell right here, I would have lost money on a coin that almost went 3x on that highest. So you always have to sell quickly, or you will lose. You will lose on meme coins. It's so important. Yeah, I don't think this will move anymore, so just selling the last thing. So after it migrated, like you just see, it will show up here. Sometimes it's good to ape these coins because they do crazy volume. Mostly I'm just scanning here, but these coins are a lot riskier. So I will show you the filters I'm using. So basically I use all these protocols. Fun, Dynamic PC, Launch Lab, Punch a Coin, Bone Cook. On the final stretch, I don't have any filters, and here I can put all on this too. Then another really important one is on new pairs, the metrics. I use a liquidity of minimum 7,000 and a volume of minimum 8,000. If it doesn't meet that standard, it won't show up here. So if I will take this away, I will see so many coins that are just created. But now I only see coins that are created that are already getting a bit of volume. So that's really good. Can do this. Chart looks a little bit weird to me. The bubble map is so important too. Right here, you can see one wallet holds 20%. So obviously, I'm not gonna ape this. There was another one. Right here, we can also see. You see, it's a lot of more wallets that are holding basically. So maybe I buy a little bit. I'm not sure what this is about. Let's just see if I buy a little bit. So this one's created on Pump Fun, so it will do an automatically limit order for me. It's right here. It's called Advanced Trading Strategy. I'll put it on this. I don't think it's good to have stop loss, to be honest. A lot of times I just delete it because meme coins are so violent. A lot of times your stop loss will be hit, and after it might moon and you miss out on big gains. But for now I just turn it on for a little bit extra security. I will take automatically all of my back out when it went 2x. So right here you can see that. And I can also put it right here, or put it up, put it down by just pressing on it. and pointing it at the price I want. So those are all really important settings to keep in mind. This is slowly getting some volume, so just gonna let this in. So what else do you have to make money on Axiom? So you have the trackers, what is also really important. Basically, you can copy other successful people. So I'm following Assassin. I can see instantly what he's buying. I'm following Lanes. I'm following Urus. I also follow Gake, Cooker, and a few more wallets. To find these wallets, I use coalscan.io. It's a platform where you can basically see the leaderboard of all the profitable traders. So I can see this guy is still buying this, and I can also see it on the chart. He bought here, he bought here. Price is still pumping. Someone bought here. It was Assassin as well. So he seems to be bullish on this coin. Coin is called Do Nothing. It's basically another meme, like buy, do nothing. And if you have the feeling it will run, you can buy it. But you can have good info based on what other profitable traders are buying. I will leave my favorite wallet list of profitable traders in my Discord. It's free, so if you want to join it, this link is in the bio. Here you can also see Twitter alerts, so you can follow your own customized feed of people you like. I don't really use it because the Twitter tracker in my Discord is also way faster. It's also free, so if you want to use it, feel free to join. So what other sections do you have on Axiom? You have to trade Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, and all that stuff. I don't really use it. For me, Axiom is really like a Memecoin trading bot. Then you have the yield. You can get 4% AP on USDC. And you have the reward section. Basically, you can claim back free Solana for trading. It's pretty amazing. I already claimed like 15 Sol. It's super cool. And you can see your portfolio. So basically, you can deposit money there and do other cool stuff. Let's see if scratching it is already still slowly going up. If it is 24K, I'm risk-free. You can see I'm up 36% right now. I'm on $15. Nothing too crazy, but it's okay. I can also put my stop loss a little bit higher right now. So for example here, so I know whatever happens, I'm not gonna be losing money on this coin, you know. And normally you will see here's a kind of resistance, here's a kind of resistance. And that's basically the way I decide to where to put my stop loss and where to do it not, you know. I can also press the icons on top right here, and it will instantly search basically the image. I mean, reverse search is on Google, so you can really check super easily if the art is original or not. This really helps me to decide if I want to buy something or if I not want to buy something. So what else do you have? You can instantly check if someone else posted on it about the coin on X. So right here we can see Chorus is posting about the coin on X. My life is a meme is posting about it. So we can also check out this profile. Nothing too crazy. 50 followers. It's going down again. Let's see if it will hold right here. This should be the line it holds or it will sell. A little bit higher is good. We want to see same as always. Higher highs, lower lows. Right now that's still pretty decent. Right here you can change your chart. I'm using the 1 second one right now to just find the best entry possible, you know. You can also put it on 5 seconds or even 15, 30, whatever you like. I will keep it on 1. So what else do I use? Here you have all token info. You can instantly get a good overview of how healthy contract address is. So the dev is still holding 0%. It's okay. 24% top holders. It's okay because it's a new coin. You can buy a lot of percentage for pretty cheap right now because the market cap is so low. We hope this will go to a new high. Yeah, so it hit a new high. That's really bullish. We can see how many percent snipers are in, insiders, bundlers, if the LP is burned or not, how many holders, how many pro traders are in, and if the DEX is paid or not. You also see green or red. Red basically means it's bad, green basically means it's good. So what is too much, you know? You don't want to have too much bundlers because you know it's gonna rock. And you can also see it easily on the hold account. So this is a bundler. This is a bundler, and I really like to use the bubble mappers. You can easily get a good overview of what is happening with all the wallets, and if multiple same people are holding from different wallets, it's really good. So the last function I really like. On Memecoins you want to see original art and an original token. So right here you can see there are 5 similar tokens. So 5 months ago someone basically already created this token. Do I say that right? Oh, this is 5 minutes ago. And this one is created 10 minutes ago. So that is still pretty decent, pretty okay. This is the first original token, and it's slowly sending. So I'm just gonna hold, hope it hit my risk-free position, and then I can just, if I want to, sell on the way up and take profits gradually, basically. I think that are all the most important features of Axiom to trade and to really print money. Right now, you see, it will sell here. I lost 1%. It doesn't really matter. It's still going up, but I'm happy I'm out, you know, because it hit a new all-time low. I don't think it will send. It could, but I will just look for the next one. So that's basically it, I think. Let me show you one more thing. Let's look at this real quick. Get into this real quick because it looks pretty decent. I know your meme. Right here you can also see the website. What is it? Name Shiba. Not sure, I don't know it. It gets a decent amount of volume, but I see there's a big bundler in. Right here you can see it too, so I'm just gonna get out. I don't want to risk it on it. So I didn't really lose money here. Didn't really make money here. I lost like $1. So it might still send, but it's not worth the risk because in my opinion, opinion, 50% bundlers is just way too high. I don't like to take the risk. If I didn't sell, I would have been up to 3x right now. But it's all good. It's all good because shit happens. And I will just look for the next one. You don't want to take too much risk. You want to have liquid when you really need it. And that's the most important. Even though sometimes you will miss out on crazy coins like this that do a random 10x, you know. Let me show you one more thing, what I just wanted to show you. If you press the right mouse click, you can go to settings and you can change the colors. So I don't like the red and the green color because it fucks your mental, you know. Red is always bad, green is good. So I just changed the red part to yellow. Just don't trade too much emotionally, you know. And just lock in. Alright, that is it about Axiom, I think. Let me know if you have more questions about Axiom, if I should make another video, maybe on all the wallets I use, how to find these good wallets, and I see you in the next one.